Leadership resilience is a state toward which one is always journeying. Leaders, whether formal or informal, don't get to arrive and reside in resilience forever. Leadership is complex with its multiple demands, constant change, and ups and downs. Leaders cannot predict what challenges, issues, and random events they will be called on to face, and they need tools and practices to advance resilience. There is always something more to learn and to practice on the journey toward resilience. This book is a commentary on that journey and that practice. It is about how leaders can build what we call appreciative resilience by using appreciative inquiry as they journey through the constantly evolving landscape of hope, despair, and forgiveness. This dynamic interweaving of appreciative inquiry processes and philosophy with a deep exploration of hope, despair, and forgiveness opens new ways of reflecting on and practicing being a resilient leader. Appreciative resilience aims to sustain leaders as hope blooms, as despair visits, and as forgiveness opens their hearts. In our work, we have come to believe that practicing appreciative resilience in each of these states, hope, despair, and forgiveness, generates leadership resilience over time. This book is a commentary on that belief and an invitation for you to journey with us. In journeying through this commentary, you will find reflective and practical processes to build your own appreciative resilience. We fully recognize that this commentary presents one idea of how to view and foster resilience. This book is not designed to be the definitive answer to leadership resilience. Rather, it is designed to tell stories that provide insight, offer a useful model for building resilience with appreciative inquiry in times of hope, despair, and forgiveness, engage you in reflection on your own resilience, and offer thoughts on organizational and team resilience. We recognize that leadership resilience is refined in the crucible of leading in the everyday, and that leaders forge their own thinking. This is ours. Over the course of the book, we explore this thinking in depth. We unpack and repack the component parts and related concepts of the appreciative resilience model in order for leaders to apply these ideas to their own work and reflect on how to be appreciatively resilient. To begin that process, we offer a quick primer on some of the key ideas and definitions, introduce the appreciative resilience model, and provide some notes on reading this book. Appreciative inquiry, AI, is an approach for positive change in individuals, groups, and organizations. Its assumption is simple. Every human system, individual, group, organization, community, has something that works right. Things that give it life when it is most alive, effective, successful, and connected in healthy ways. AI focuses on what is working well. Appreciate by engaging people in asking questions and telling stories. Inquire. To appreciate means to value, to increase in value, and to be fully aware. In being fully aware, one does not ignore issues and problems. Rather, one seeks to deeply see what is and find within that the fertile nuggets that can be made to grow. To inquire is to ask questions, to inquire into what might be, what can be, and to dream a new and possible future. All AI processes are built from these two fundamental concepts of appreciating and inquiring. Appreciative inquiry is narrative. It is about telling and listening to stories in order to build a positive future together. Finding those things that are working right and working well allows people to build the future together in a highly engaged and participatory way. Appreciative inquiry was developed by David Cooperrider and others in the 1980s. AI prompted a catalytic shift from a problem focus to a possibility focus in how organizations, systems, teams, leaders, and individuals approached the future they were trying to build. Appreciative inquiry is used in many contexts around the world for strategic and other kinds of planning, team development, coaching, organization development, research, and in every other way imaginable. Appreciative inquiry includes tools and processes for positive change and is also a way of being in the world.